This old cabinet has been waiting for something beautiful, new, and functional, and I finally found it. The box arrived neatly packed and everything was super well protected. The materials look high quality right out of the box. Before starting, my husband went over the manual to ensure a smooth and proper assembly. The instructions are straightforward, and each piece is clearly labeled. Here it is, fully assembled. You can really appreciate the fluted cabinet doors with their textured feel and the clean, handle-free design. As I begin decorating it, I notice how spacious it is. The open center shelves are perfect for all sorts of items, and the sturdy build supports everything without any wobble. This stand can easily hold a large TV up to 80 inches while keeping everything organized. On both sides, I've started organizing some books. I love that the adjustable interior shelves let me customize the space however I want. Plus, those solid wood legs give it extra support and a high-end look. This fluted TV stand is the perfect mix of elegance and practicality. It's solid, stylish, and gives any room an instant upgrade. If your space is ready for a refresh like mine was, this piece might be exactly what you've been looking for.